The province of Southern Leyte in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. The province of Southern Leyte has Passi City as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Visayas Island group in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. It is composed of one city, 18 municipalities, and 500 barangays. It was founded on May 22, 1959. The total land area is 1,801.46 kilometers squared or 695.55 square miles. Southern Leyte is bordered clockwise from the north by Leyte, Leyte Gulf, Surigao Strait, Sogod Bay, Bohol Sea, and Canigao Channel. Here are the different city and municipalities comprising the province of Southern Leyte in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas. We have the municipality of Anahawan with 14 barangays, municipality of Bontoc with 40 barangays, municipality of Hinonangan with 40 barangays, municipality of Hinondayan with 17 barangays, municipality of Libagon with 14 barangays, municipality of Liloan with 24 barangays, municipality of Limasawa with 6 barangays, and the city of Maasin as the provincial capital with 70 barangays. We also have the municipality of Macrohon with 30 barangays, municipality of Malitbog with 37 barangays, municipality of Padre Burgos with 11 barangays, municipality of Bintuyan with 23 barangays, municipality of St. Bernard with 30 barangays, municipality of San Francisco with 22 barangays, municipality of San Juan with 18 barangays, and the municipality of San Ricardo with 15 barangays. We also have the municipality of Silago with 15 barangays, municipality of Sogod with 45 barangays, municipality of Tomas Opos with 29 barangays. And that is all about the different city and municipalities comprising the province of Southern Leyte in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.